really cold. Welcome back to Not Your Mama's Cooking Show. Today we are gonna revisit ice cream. Our first video was a video on how to make almond milk, followed up with how to make almond milk ice cream. That was a very fun experience. That video, thank you guys, did very well. Thank you guys, everyone that watched that, everyone that gave us a like, comments. Very happy to see that we got some feedback. Probably our most popular video to date. Well, it is definitely our most popular video to date. I thought today we'd do something a little different and just make ice cream with dairy. One is gonna be a strawberry jam. The other one's gonna be one made out of peanut butter cups. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today I'm gonna start by making a strawberry jam ice cream. Again, never done it before. Gonna give it a shot. This recipe, you make like the strawberry syrup to go into the ice cream and then add some strawberry jam in there. So we're gonna start by making the strawberry syrup first. For that, you will need 1.5 cups of sliced strawberries, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. So I'm gonna start, I have strawberries here. I'm just gonna go ahead and slice them up. Alright, so now that we've got our strawberries diced, we're going to add them in a blender. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and then 1/4 cup of water. Now that we got that going, we're just going to blend it up. Alright, so now that our syrup has been pureed, we're going to throw it in a saucepan and let that kind of thicken up for about 10 minutes. Syrup is coming to a boil. It's looking really nice. It's gonna let it kind of simmer some more. For our ice cream recipe, we are going to need 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 pinch of salt, and then you're gonna follow that up with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whisk that all together. And there's our vanilla ice cream recipe. So now that I've got everything mixed together, I'm gonna go ahead and start my ice cream maker cycle. And then I'm just gonna pour in the mixture. Now the ice cream's starting to solidify a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a couple tablespoons of this jam in there. While I'm at it, I'll just throw a little bit of this syrup mixture that we made in there. Smash like if you like ice cream. Alright, so we did the strawberry, that came out real nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the peanut butter cup. Same step as before with the ice cream mix. Don't really need to show you that. So here we go. For the peanut butter cups, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some peanut butter cups that I made on one of our previous episodes, and I'm going to dice them up maybe into quarters and throw them in with the mix. They're frozen, so they're not going to like spread apart or anything like that. Cutting them into chunks. I think for a little fun side note here, I'm gonna take a little bit of leftover peanut butter I had from making the cups, kind of throw that in there as well. All right, it's the following day now. Both of them look delicious. The strawberry jam looks a little bit more creamier, probably because I threw the syrup and the jam in there, kind of made it a little bit more sugary. The peanut butter cup looks a little bit rough, like there's a lot more ice crystals on it. So I think maybe there is something, maybe if I would have put like chocolate syrup in here, it would have smoothed it out a little bit more, or maybe used a little bit more cream than milk. But anyways, it's done now. I'm excited to try it because I've been waiting all day for this. So what I did here is I garnished it with strawberries and some of the strawberry syrup that was made. So I'm gonna try and get a bite of all three. Cold. It's really good. It's really sweet. Ice cream itself has a nice texture. It's really smooth, it's really creamy. And you can taste the strawberry in the ice cream. The syrup is really good. I'm definitely gonna be going back to that. Now our peanut butter cups. If you saw a video we did a few weeks ago where I made peanut butter cups, I used the same recipe for this. This looks a little bit more crystallized, not as smooth, so I feel like it's gonna feel more like icy, but we'll find out. It's really cold. It's really good though, the peanut butter cup. The chocolate's not super sweet, so on the peanut butter cups are just a semi-sweet mixture. But it's creamy, the peanut butter is really creamy. I feel like if I was to let this sit and just kind of mix it around a little bit, as it's sitting and melting a little bit, it'll get more creamier, less icy. It's really cold, so my teeth are really sensitive to it. But anyways, two types of ice cream, strawberry jam, peanut butter cup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do all the fun stuff. Subscribe if you haven't. Give it a like if you liked it. Tell a friend if you think this is something you'd want to try at home. If you do try it at home, leave comments down below. Let me know what you thought. This has been Not Your Mom's Cooking Show. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna chow down now. More of the strawberry stuff for sure.